Hello, this is a recording for Tuesday, February 24th. Today's practice is titled Nothing Time. It is designed to recharge doing absolutely nothing. So you recharge your battery by doing absolutely nothing. What a concept. Take a comfortable position and take a few nice, easy breaths, getting ready for the practice of doing nothing. Be sure your body and head are supported, comfortable, and can fully let go of tension. You spend so much time doing, thinking. For now, you can simply be. There is nothing you need to do. Nothing is asked of you. No agenda, no goal, no way to do this wrong. Just peace, just being. Give yourself permission to release all effort in your body, releasing all effort, all tension. Give yourself permission to rest, simply rest. There is nothing you need to do. There is no way to get this wrong. Just you. Just peace. Just being. Even the mind may become calmer now. Allow it to rest. I'll be silent for a while to leave you alone with your nothing time. Enjoy. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I embody that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to do this practice at least a few times during today and actually every day. Just a few minutes or moments of doing absolutely nothing, recharging your battery. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. Have a lovely day, and I will see you on Thursday.